Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
A car misfiring after warming up could be caused by several issues, including faulty ignition coils, spark plugs, or fuel system problems. Over time, these components can wear out or become dirty, leading to inefficient fuel combustion. To address this, inspect and replace any worn or dirty spark plugs and ignition coils. Additionally, check the fuel injectors for clogs and ensure the fuel filter is clean. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of these components can prevent misfiring and improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.